So first code of honor is self-awareness. Always remember healing starts with yourself, with me, right? When I look within, I understand my thoughts, my feelings, my emotions, and my pattern better. Welcome, Drashti. We are just revising the code of honor that we have created. So first is self-awareness. We always need to be more self-aware, right? मेरे अंदर क्या चल रहा है? Even if you find some challenges in your external situation, that means अगर आपको किसी पर्सन में खराबी दिख रही है, कोई सिचुएशन ट्रबलसम है, कोई समवन इज गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ पेन, just go within yourself and just check what are my feelings, what are my thoughts, what are my patterns, and just start healing the pattern, and you will see the drastic shift in your external reality. This awareness helps me grow and heal, right? And okay, let's go for the second one, empathy. I lead with love and kindness. I respect others' journeys and create a safe space where everyone feels valued and supported. Correct? जैसे हमारी खुद की वैल्यू सिस्टम होती है, उसमें भी सीक्वेंस होती है, राइट? आई गिव वैल्यू टू मे बी फ्रीडम अ लॉट मोर. मेरे लिए मेरी फ्रीडम सबसे ज्यादा मायने रखती है, बट फॉर समवन एल्स इट माइट बी कंफर्ट, इट माइट बी इंपॉर्टेंस, राइट? सो एवरीवन हैज डिफरेंट वैल्यू सिस्टम एंड आई ऑलवेज ऑनर and respect that. Consistency. I show up every single day. This is the key. Consistency is the key. I show up every day. Small daily actions like healing, journaling, जो भी हम यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, whatever you feel like doing it, just keep on doing it. वीकेंड में क्लास नहीं होते, शायद बीच बीच में भी गैप होगा, बट यू जस्ट नीड टू रिमेंबर, यू नीड टू स्टे इन दैट वाइब्रेशन, दैट फ्रीक्वेंसी एज मच मोर एज पॉसिबल. करेक्ट? वॉट एवर यू फील अलाइन विथ. ऐसा नहीं है कि अफर्मेशन करना है, ऐसा नहीं है लिखना है, ऐसा नहीं है कि ओनली विजुअलाइजेशन. वॉट एवर यू लव द मोस्ट, दैट विल गिव यू great results, right? I'm muting everyone. Okay, next, authenticity. I stay real and true to myself, right? Let me present the full screen. Yes. Always you need to be authentic as much as you can, right? Because whenever we don't feel authentic, हमें मतलब see, energy says everything. हम मुंह से कुछ बोल सकते हैं, कुछ दिखा सकते हैं, कुछ pretend कर सकते हैं, but after all हमारी एनर्जी, हमारे वाइब्स सभी को फील होते हैं. करेक्ट? तो हम यू हैव ऑल्सो एक्सपीरियंस कि कभी किसी से मिलते हैं ना, विदाउट एनी कन्वर्सेशन हम कुछ ऑफ फील करते हैं. हम बोलते हैं कि यार पता नहीं कुछ वाइब सही नहीं है इस पर्सन की. करेक्ट? सो ऑलवेज you need to be more authentic as much as you can. You don't need to hide your feelings, your struggles, because everyone has a journey. Everyone has a ऐसा ही नहीं है सब लोग सक्सेसफुल लोग ऐसे ही चढ़ते जा रहे हैं. जर्नी ऑलवेज लुक्स लाइक दिस. करेक्ट? इन कर्व्स. I embrace my journey and inspire others by being genuine. Next is growth mindset. Every challenge, every setback, every failure tries to teaches me something. सारी वो अपॉर्चुनिटी है. I will learn the lesson and I will make another new mistake. I'll try not to repeat the same mistake. Instead of feeling stuck, I use every setback as a stepping stone to rise higher. The faster you fail, the faster you go forward in your journey. Last but not the least, service. My healing helps others heal too, right? हमेशा मैं यही रिपीट करूंगी, जब आप हील होते हो उसकी डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स, आपके क्लोज वंस, वो फील करते हैं. दे स्टार्टेड हीलिंग एंड दिस वे यू आर पासिंग द हीलिंग टू योर फ्यूचर जनरेशंस. As I grow, I share love and energy that creates a ripple effect in the world. Even will practice in future कि कैसे आप अपनी एक I'm doing something very interesting, Reiki money course. So I'm launching one money Reiki mentorship program very soon. वहां पे हम देखेंगे कैसे हम खुद की एनर्जी से, while healing our own energy, we can impact the spiritual energy of money throughout the world. That impact, that power we have, everyone have, right? Okay, so ये थे हमारे code of honor, and welcome new members, new joiners. I would like to see you all, please. Doesn't matter बाल कैसा है, doesn't matter क्या पहना है. Thank you so much नीलिमा जी, दृष्टि and शिखा. If possible, please turn on your camera. ठीक है? Okay. तो आज का पूरा spontaneous है. I haven't planned anything for healing. Manifestation के लिए, subconscious programming के लिए, there is something beautiful. So let me know which kind of emotions, which kind of any physical challenge you are going through, and we will heal on that. Chat box में बता सकते हो या unmute करके बता सकते हो. I can take anything spontaneously. Yes, anyone? नहीं तो फिर मैं जनरलाइज ले लूंगी। एंजाइटी, एंजाइटी इन पर्टिकुलर फॉर समथिंग और इन जनरल? हेल्थ। ओके, तो अलग अलग चीजें हैं, आई ट्राई टू कंबाइन बोथ। ठीक है, सबसे पहले विल प्रैक्टिस एडवांस होपोनोपोनो एंड ईएफटी। ठीक है, आज दो हीलिंग मोडालिटीज से करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट डू वन एक्सरसाइज। आपने जो भी आपका पेन पॉइंट है ना, यू कैन डू फॉर दैट। ठीक है, और आपको रिजल्ट सबके मतलब अपने अपने चैलेंज एरिया के मिलेंगे। हाइशिका, so just note down the intensity level of your challenge out of 10, right? 10 being the highest. Suppose मैं बहुत ज्यादा anxiety, nervousness, heaviness feel कर रही हूँ, तो I would rate it 9 or 10. Likewise you can rate it for yourself. And okay, uh, सबसे पहले डिसाइड कीजिए अप्रोक्सीमेटली आउट ऑफ 10 हाउ मच यू आर फीलिंग, एंड जस्ट टाइप इन द चैट बॉक्स। Any emotional pain, any physical pain will do. हेल्थ एंजाइटी नीलिमा जी ने बताया, विच इज 7। ठीक है, लाइकवाइज कोई फिजिकल पेन है, कोई और इमोशनल, यू नो, इमोशनल पेन विच इज ट्रबलिंग यू राइट नाउ, स्ट्रेस है, वरी है, फियर है, तो आप अपने लिए नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं, एंड देन एट द एंड वी विल मेजर इट अगेन। ठीक है, चलिए। इवन दो आई एम एड्रेसिंग दिस एंजाइटी फॉर हेल्थ, यू कैन डू इट फॉर योर ओन चैलेंज। ठीक है, मैं जब भी बुलाती हूँ कि एंजाइटी फॉर हेल्थ, तो आपको अपने प्रॉब्लम को एड्रेस करना है। ठीक है, ओके, लेट मी स्टार्ट द म्यूजिक। ओके, recent, ओके। म्यूजिक ऑडिबल है? म्यूजिक मेरी आवाज दोनों परफेक्ट है? आवाज आनी चाहिए। क्लोज योर आईज, रिलैक्स योर बॉडी, your feet should be flat on the ground if possible. Take a deep breath in and out. Again, take a deep breath in and out. The less you move, the faster you will be able to connect with you. Just try to visualize and feel that a divine white light is from the universe, is entering through your crown chakra, which is on the top of your head, and it is slowly entering your body. You can feel the energy on your head, your cheeks, your face, your neck, throat, both of your shoulders. Just imagine everything, each and every cell of your body parts are getting that divine energy. वो पूरी तरह से एक ब्यूटीफुल डिवाइन व्हाइट लाइट से कवर हो रहे हैं। Your chest area, your stomach, your upper back, lower back, your root chakra, the area of your seat, your thighs, your knees, your calf, and your feet. It has covered the entire body beautifully. And you can feel that energy right now. At the same time, a nurturing divine mother earth energy is entering from your feet and going up in the upward direction. नीचे से ऊपर आ रही है वो एनर्जी और आपके फीट से वो एंटर हो रही है slowly, gradually. And again the mother earth energy, which is very calm, soothing, nurturing, it is flowing in your entire body, and it is beautifully merging with the universal energy. You can feel the communion of these both energies, the Prakriti and Purush, the Shiva and Shakti, inside your body. Each and every cell of your body, every part of your body are feeling the beautiful Sangam, the dance of this combined energy. Keep relaxing your body. It's okay अगर आपका mind बहुत सारे thoughts में खो जाता है. Just try to bring it back gently in the present moment. Again, take a deep breath and relax. And now, with your eyes closed, just place both of your hands on your heart chakra, center of your heart. Bring a beautiful smile on your face and repeat, I'm sorry. You need to repeat it loudly. I just want to see your lips moving. I'm sorry, my dear emotion. जो emotion या physical pain को आप address करना चाहते हो, just repeat, I'm sorry, my dear emotional pain. I take 100% responsibility to feel this pain, knowingly or unknowingly. I have attracted you in my life. I'm sorry, my dear pain, my dear challenge, for hating you, for not liking you. Please forgive me for probably not taking enough actions to change my emotional state. और शायद मैंने अपना 100% नहीं दिया to heal you, to change my own frequency. Please forgive me for that. Please forgive me for not taking enough actions, my dear health. I did not focus on doing the exercise, having great healthy food, nutritious food, which my body is craving for. I'm sorry. I have filled up you with so much of junk. I'm sorry if I was being lazy and could not take enough actions. Please forgive me. Just feel each and every statement as if आप अभी अपनी challenge से बात कर रहे हो. Say thank you. Thank you, my dear emotional pain. Thank you for this opportunity of healing myself beautifully. Thank you for reminding me that I am the most important person in my life. Thank you for reminding me my health is utmost important. Thank you for this realization that no matter what, I can change my situation right now. I can take unlimited actions because I have unlimited energy within me, the energy which helps me heal, which helps me move forward in my life, the energy using which I can create any miracle in my life. Yes, I know that. Thank you for reminding me that I am responsible for all my creation, emotional creation, or any manifesting anything physical in the material world. Thank you so much for this knowledge, this acknowledgement that I just need to change my energy in order to see any visible results in my outer reality, outer world. I love you, my dear emotion. I love you for coming into my life, serving your purpose. Now I know you always have certain intention behind coming into my life. But now I know the purpose very well, and I promise to fulfill that purpose very well. I promise I will always focus on changing my frequency as fast as I can. Thank you so much for reminding me my own power. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, my dear pain. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now, with your eyes closed, just try to visualize the pain. Feel the pain inside your body. It can be in any form. शायद आपको हेड में हैवीनेस लगेगी, स्टमक में बटरफ्लाइज जैसा कुछ फील होगा, और यू कैन फील द हैवीनेस इन योर चेस्ट एरिया, in your arms, shoulders, or any kind of physical pain. Just try to notice and bring your attention there. Be present. Now, just give it any random shape. कोई भी तरह का आपका पेन है, इमोशनल पेन, फिजिकल पेन, उसको एक रैंडम शेप दीजिए. Which color is it? Just try to see the surface. Is it smooth or rough? Or which kind of shape is it? Oval, rectangle, square, star, heart. Now, after getting these details, let's try to change it. Now again feel that energy जो हमने पहले communion feel किया. The beautiful communion of Mother Earth energy and universal energy is transforming your pain into another form, another shape. Now see that shape is changing completely. It can be again any random shape. See the color is also changing. अगर वो surface पहले rough था, now it is getting smoother, shinier. And now the object, that shape, is getting smaller and smaller and tinier. और जब मैं 3 count करूंगी, you will blow it out, that shape, that new shape, out of your body. 1, 2, 3. Just blow it out. And with your eyes closed, अपना head उस direction में घुमाइए. जहाँ पे आपकी विंडो है, विंडो या डोर है आपके रूम का, एंड जस्ट सी दैट शेप इज गोइंग वेरी फार फार इन द यूनिवर्स। धीरे 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 बहुत छोटा हो रहा है। इट इज मर्जिंग इन द यूनिवर्स completely, and it is converting into a beautiful bright light. And now your body is completely light. Feel the lightness in that part of your body, inside each and every cell of your body. You feel so relaxed, so light, so comfortable. Keep taking deep breaths. Let's stand Ho'oponopono for a few more times. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
All right.
Thank you.
Please forgive me.
I love you.
And I love
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And with that, again take a deep breath in and out from your mouth. Rub your palms together. Faster. Create that energy between your palms. Place it on your eyes, your face, and slowly, gently open your eyes with your beautiful smile. Bright. आपके shiny bright दांत दिखने चाहिए. Great. Nice to see everyone. You can unmute or you can share in the chat box what was the frequency earlier and what is it now. जैसे नीलिमा जी ने लिखा था 7 and what is it right now. How much pain, emotional or physical pain can you feel right now? Yes, I'm waiting. Everyone has to participate. Come on. You can also unmute if you want to share. Yes, I can understand, Dia. Next time, just try to join from the beginning. Okay? Yes, by the time, let me. Okay. You just need to do few more rounds of the same thing. ठीक है, आप अपने हिसाब से उसको कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं. You can also do EFT. Let me do it for 5 minutes. हमारे पास अभी टाइम है. ठीक है, चलिए EFT करते हैं. Everyone, keep your eyes open. ठीक है, टेपिंग करेंगे. बहुत सारे लोग जानते हैं ऑलरेडी. Those who are doing it for the first time, just follow me. ठीक है, keep your spine straight. कैमरा को स्टेबल अपने सामने रख दीजिए and just take a deep breath in and out. This is known as karate chopping point. Start taping here gently. Great. Thank you, Shikha. Okay. Start taping and keep repeating. Even though I was feeling anxiety, a lot of pain inside my body, still, in spite of that, I love and accept myself the way I am. Even though I have tried many things in the past to heal my anxiety or any emotional pain you can address, but still, I felt that it is not working out. It is not for me, or I don't know whether I can get rid of it or not. In spite of thinking like that, I love, honor, and accept myself the way I am, even though I kept on blaming, complaining, and criticizing anyone for my emotional pain. And I did not take 100% responsibility to cure it for myself. In spite of that, I love, honor, and accept myself the way I am. The deep breath in एंड आउट फ्रॉम योर माउथ. अब 2 फिंगर से टेपिंग करेंगे, आंखें खुली रख के देखिएगा, फॉलो अलोंग. ऑल माई एंजाइटी रिलीज, all my emotional pain release, all the stress I feel in my body release, all the guilt that I have stored in my body release, all the shame I feel due to patriarchy, due to norms of the society release, all the frustration I keep on feeling due to any reason release. यहाँ पे कॉलर बोन है दोनों. all the worry I feel for my future, for my family release, all the overthinking without any particular outcome release, all the never ending negative self talk release. अब यहाँ पे टेप करेंगे जहाँ पे थंब, आई मीन स्किन और नेल जहाँ पे मिल रहा है, राइट, लाइक दिस, टेप लाइक दिस. all the anxiety for my health release, all the laziness in my health area release, all my कल से करेंगे attitude release, all the guilt I feel after बहुत सारा जंक फूड दबाने के बाद I feel I should not do this release, all the shame I feel when someone says you are not perfect, you are like this release. Again start taping here. all the imperfectionism that I have release, all the fear, doubt, frustration, jealousy, anger, hurt that I have stored in my body, mind, and soul release. Again, all my negative attitude release. I know everything happens at the perfect time, the perfect place, and I'm ready to accept the divine time. I'm ready to work on myself, my energy, my frequency every day. I do not bother what the world is thinking about me or whether they are judging me for any reason or not. I am ready to give my 100%, to be 1% better every single day, because I know I am the abundant child of the universe, and the universe wants to give me everything that I desire. Yes, my desires are coming to me for a reason, and I am ready to honor that. I'm not greedy. I'm not selfish, because focusing on my needs, focusing on getting more is not selfishness. Whenever I receive something, I receive it with gratitude. I am a great giver and the greatest receiver. And that is why I love to give more. I love to give 10 times, 100 times more. But I will always remember not to expect from that same person to whom I'm giving love, money, any sort of help, or anything. Because I know all the energy, positive energy that is accumulated because of my good karma is getting added in the universal bank. Universe is always with me. Universe always supports me. Universe always wants me to grow in my life, no matter what. The universe is giving me the challenges so that I can be better, I can be stronger, I can be more powerful. So now onwards, I will not stay stuck with any kind of challenge. I will just work on healing myself every single day with any tools, any techniques, or Ho'oponopono prayer or EFT, whatever I feel good that time. Everything is perfect. My health is perfect. My energy is perfect. My relations are perfect. My job is perfect. Job or no job, it is also perfect. Business, doing profit or loss in business, everything is perfect at this perfect moment. Take a deep breath in and out from your mouth. And feel that vibrations. And now you can open your eyes slowly and gently. Great. Feeling a bit better? Yes or no? Yes? So keep doing this. कोई perfect process को follow नहीं करना है. It is just the guidance. आंखें बंद करके जो भी mind में आ रहा है, you just keep tapping every single day. Yes? Perfect. Now it's the time to shift our energy. Healing कर दिया, space body में create की. Now उस space को हमें fill करना है with manifestation energy, moving faster, loving, caring energy. ठीक है? That we are going to do. और उसके लिए सबसे best source है what? Tell me in the chat box. Can anyone guess? Dance. Great. Get up, everyone. And let's shift our energy for only 2, 3, 5 minutes. We don't have much time. You can even, okay, let it be. Okay. All right. Dance as if your wildest dream has become your truth, your reality. ठीक है, celebration करना है वैसा dance. You can also do पागल वाला जंगली dance, whatever you call. ठीक है, कैमरा ऑन ऑफ, I don't mind. बस आपको ये एनर्जी फील करनी, ठीक है? तो ना करो एवरी डे, जस्ट एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू स्पेंड सम मिनट्स, अपना फेवरेट म्यूजिक लगाओ एंड डांस, सब कुछ भूल के. बहुत जल्द आपको शिफ्ट दिखेगा अपनी लाइफ में. यस, परफेक्ट. चलिए, लेट्स गेट बैक इनटू आवर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. क्लोज योर आईज. फिर से आई प्ले सम म्यूजिक एंड टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन. रिलैक्स योर बॉडी, रिलैक्स योर एनर्जी. Sorry. Yes. Yeah. Sorry about this. Keep focusing on your breathing. And repeat after me. Both put your hands on your heart again and repeat loudly whatever I'm telling you to. Okay, first visualize a cute puppy in your mind and you are holding that puppy. White, little, furry, cute puppy आपके हाथ में है. And just imagine it has done many mistakes. कुछ घर में तोड़-फोड़ कर रखी है, कहीं पे कुछ गंदा कर दिया है, बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स की है. What will you do with that puppy? क्या आप उसको मारोगे? नहीं, right? Now imagine instead of that puppy, you have a cute little baby in your hand. Just see the smile of that baby boy, baby girl, whatever. And again imagine that baby has also already made some mistakes. क्या करेगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा? कुछ गंदा कर दिया, वॉमिट कर दी, Still, will you beat that baby? Not at all, right? Will you forgive that baby? Yes. One time? Yes. 2 times? Yes. Unlimited times? Yes, of course, right? You'll always forgive that baby for the unlimited mistakes it has made. Now imagine, instead of that baby, you are holding your version in your hand. Maybe your आप ही का अभी का वर्जन, प्रेजेंट वर्जन, बट वो स्मॉलर साइज में है, ठीक है? नाउ दैट बेबी, दैट क्यूट वर्जन ऑफ यू हैज आल्सो मेड a lot of mistakes in the past. बहुत सारी mistakes. Imagine आपने you have broken so many hearts, or you have wasted so much money, or you have mistreated someone, or you are not able to crack that exam or interview. You are not able to earn good money. You are not able to exercise every single day. और आप हर बार promise करते हो and you are not able to fulfill that promise. Just recall each and every mistake of yours. And now, how would you treat this baby? Won't you forgive all the mistakes? Just try to think about it. आप इस बेबी को क्या कहना चाहते हो? Now, hold this baby and just repeat. It's okay. Take your own name loudly. It's okay to make so many mistakes. Yes, you are allowed to make mistakes. Not once, not twice, but for unlimited times. From now on, I want you to live fearlessly. Make as many mistakes as you can. I promise you, you have unlimited forgiveness from the universe. You have unlimited love, unlimited choices in your life. Don't be scared. Don't be afraid to make new choices in your life, because life is always about exploring, trying something new, forgiving everyone and yourself, and forgetting which is not serving you anymore. So just repeat loudly with me. I am ready. I'm ready to live my past. Live my past. I'm ready to forgive myself unconditionally. I am releasing all the guilt, all the shame, all the panicness from my body. Yes, I am ready to forgive myself unlimited times. From now onwards, I will always remember that in order to grow more, I need to fail more. And for that, I need to do more. Not from the burden, not from the feeling of burden or for the sake of doing it, but from the feeling of exploration, achieving some bigger goals. I am ready to be stronger, tougher, more loving, caring, more genuine. I will say no whenever needed, without feeling guilty, without being hesitate, because I know I need to save my boundary. I need to be there for myself. Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready to forgive for all my past mistakes. I'm ready to forgive all the mistakes that others have done. And I was carrying it from the very long time. I am ready to release all of that natak, which is not serving me at all, which is not helping me in having a sleep, good night's sleep. I feel so relieved by this reminder that yes, I am ready to do unlimited mistakes because I know I am being forgiven from the universe, from the God, unlimited times. Now, just for a moment, think about any one action, any one bold step जो आप सालों से सोच रहे हो. You're getting confused, but you are not taking that step, which is essential for you to grow. It may be very small or that big, bold step. And just by knowing, just have that assurance that whatever you decide to go for, universe, your God, Ganeshji is always with you. He always wants you to grow, overcome the challenge, and be happy. Just feel comfortable in your own skin, in your own mess, because every mess that we have in our life has one message. So learn the lesson, heal your negative feeling, traumas, and move forward. And with that, for the last time, take a deep breath and release. And slowly, gently rub your palms together again. Feel this energy. जो भी हमने आज 1 घंटे में हीलिंग किया, प्रोग्रामिंग किया, तो हायर एनर्जी क्रिएट की, it is inside your palm. And you are absorbing it through your eyes, through your face, or each and every cell of your body is vibrating at that higher frequency. And you are ready to face anything happily, joyfully. Open your eyes whenever you feel ready. And we are done. How was it, everyone? You can unmute and share, or you can type in the chat box. Unmute करके थोड़ा जल्दी होगा. Typing will take some time, relaxing. Great. Okay. New joiners, first time joiners. Great. Nice to know. ठीक है. Last exercise quickly कर लेते हैं. जो भी unmute करे के any random आपको color बोलना है, that will be the message from the universe. ठीक है? Anyone unmute and tell me the
Blue.
color. Blue.
Blue, blue.
Blue. Perfect. So, okay. Congratulations. You have got 5 lakh rupees in your Abundant Universal Bank account. Spend it within 12 hours from now. You can write and feel the details of spending. Okay, let me explain. I think हमने last time किया था, right? वो 1 CR था. This is for 5 lakhs. Great. सुरुचि next time लेंगे is 1 color for 1 day. ठीक है? So today within 12 hours you just need to spend energetically 5 lakh rupees कि आपको मिले हैं अभी, and you need to spend it within 12 hours. ठीक है? Amazon पे जाके देख सकते हो, जो भी ब्रांड, जो भी साइट्स आपको पसंद है, जो भी ज्वेलरी, जो भी बैग्स आपको योर मटीरियलिस्टिक नीड्स जो भी है, यू नीड टू स्पेंड इट एनर्जेटिकली एज इफ कि हाँ पेमेंट कर दिया, इट इज अबाउट टू कम. ठीक है? दिस इज वन वे टू इंक्रीज योर एनर्जी. एंड येस, मटीरियलिज्म इज ऑल्सो सो मच नीडेड. मैं उसके ऊपर फिर और दिन करवाऊंगी आपको, कि जो लोग सोचते हैं ना कि यू डोंट नीड टू चेज मनी, यू डोंट नीड टू चेज द लग्जरी, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, यू आर लुकिंग लाइक यू आर सो ग्रीडी. ये सारे नॉर्म्स कंडीशंस को हम तोड़ रहे हैं, बिकॉज हम हम इंसानों को बनाया इस कदर किया गया है, राइट? एंड वेन एवर वी विल वर्क more in future sessions, हमारे जो lower 3 chakras है, especially our root chakra, that is responsible for the money energy, right? All the materialistic things. तो हम उसके ऊपर भी ज्यादा काम करेंगे. And with that, we are done. Thank you so much for joining everyone. One request, you can share your honest feedback. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको अच्छा ही लगा, सब कुछ nice था. Genuine feedback, constructive feedback for me to improve more. ठीक है? And whenever you share something with others, it get multiplied, right? आपको अगर अच्छा लग रहा है या if you learn anything from today's session, you can also implement that with your friends, with your family. जितना हम दूसरों के ऊपर अप्लाई करते हैं ना, टीचिंग लर्निंग, तो वो बढ़ता चला जाता है, हमारे अंदर एम्बाइब होता चला जाता है. यस, सो आई होप यू हैड फन. सो कल सेम टाइम पे मिलेंगे एंड आई टेल यू मोर. अगर मेरा प्लेटफॉर्म का जो भी प्रॉब्लम है वो सॉल्व हो जाएगा, देन इट विल बी रिकरिंग थिंग every single day. I'll share more details tomorrow or maybe on Sunday. ठीक है? Most welcome, most welcome. Thank you so much and have a great day. Keep reminding yourself, I have unlimited chance, unlimited forgiveness, and I'm ready to take that bold action. Yes. Thank you so much, Dia. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye.